Okay, hi everyone. In this video, we're going to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. You're going to want to use the quadratic formula whenever the quadratic equation is not factorable, or if it's telling you to, like it is here. So it's already in standard form, lucky for us, because then we know our A, our B, and our C. And then it's just a matter of plugging in and simplifying, making sure that we don't break any math rules. So we need the opposite of B. B is 3, so the opposite of B plus or minus square root of B squared, take away 4 times A times C. Okay, keep all those signs. And then it's all divided by 2 times A. And now it's just time to simplify. So we have negative 3 plus or minus under the radical 3 squared, take away. We have 4 times negative 3 and then times a negative 8. And just so that you don't get these signs mixed up, we basically have a negative times a negative, and then that's a positive times a negative is a negative. Okay, 2 times negative 3, right? And now simplify again. Under the radical, we have a negative 87, which means this is going to be an imaginary root, because when you have a negative under the radical, that would be, we're going to use I. (87), lucky for us, is prime, so we don't have to break the radical down. But we do have to break up this negative 6 if we're going to keep the correct format. We want our answer in A plus BI, where the imaginary and the real are separate. So this comes down to x has to be a half plus or minus the square root of 87 divided by 6 times I. And these are your roots. These are your two roots right here. Okay?